Hi, Thomas Jake. Hello. You're so pretty. Yes, you are. You're very pretty, Thomas. Look at all those colors. Hi. What do you think? Hmm? Hi. Hi, Thomas. Whoop, there he goes. Hi, Thomas. Look at all those pretty colors on his face. Hi, Thomas. So pretty. Yeah. Hi, babies. Hi, babies. Oh, there's a chicken up here in the garden. That's Ebony. Hello. Hi, Thomas. What are you doing? Hi, Thomas Jake. Hello. Hello. And there's Matilda over there. She's everywhere. There's Thomas. Still a little bit windy. We had a windy day today in Southern California. We had the Santa Ana winds. Oh, yeah. There's the windmill. It's a going. Matilda, did you find lots of bugs? Pretty girls. They're looking everywhere. Hi, Gracie. Hi, Gracie. You're so pretty. She's one of my favorites. She's a very pretty girl. Yeah, she's always talking. Yeah. Hi, Gracie. Now, where did Matilda go? Here she is over here. Sophia. She can hardly help herself. Hi, Sophia. Hi. You're being a good girl. Yes. You're a good girl, not barking. Yeah. Good girl. Watching the chickens. They're enjoying themselves. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. Again, I'll see you on the next one. Please like and subscribe. Bye for now.